Good morning everyone! I'm here outside with Miso and ang lamig. Hindi ako sanay na talaga sa ganitong weather but I'm enjoying it kasi alam mo yan, like syempre sa Vegas hindi naman ganito yung vibe but here parang ang peaceful lang nung morning. Peaceful din siguro kasi wala rin akong work so I'm not thinking about work although I just did. But yeah, ang sarap mag-pause talaga sa, you know, like mga everyday worries mo and just take a break every now and then. Like, sobrang peaceful ng paligid dito. Let me show you. 'Di ba? Parang hindi ka masyadong mamomroblema kasi ma-nature, tapos yung weather parang dahil malamig siya, parang ang fresh ng hangin. And obviously comparing to yung area namin sa Las Vegas, it's incomparable. So yun lang. I just wanted to point that out na I think taking a break is really important, and especially like you have to go to a place where yung napipilitan ka magpahinga. Like right here, I'm here with my in-laws and mapipilitan ka talaga mag-rest kasi we're not doing a lot of things every day because you know they're syempre senior na sila and hindi naman sila pwedeng mag-ikot-ikot lagi sa city, ganyan. So yun, tumatambay lang kami dito and we're just like hanging out with each other and it's very refreshing kasi wala kang itinerary for the day, ganyan. So yeah, yun lang guys. Happy holidays, bye!